Welcome everyone to the Blockpress tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how we can generate Instagram access token for the business account. First, you need to convert your Instagram profile to a business profile. Click Edit Profile and go to Account Type and Tools. Switch to Professional Account, Business, Next, and Next. And choose the category. In my case, I would like to select personal blog. Done. Done. Use my contact info in my case. And done. Then you need to connect your Instagram account to our Facebook page. I'm switching my profile to the Facebook page. I'm going to settings, on the page settings, and almost the bottom, you can see here link accounts. Instagram, connect account, connect, confirm. Yes, logging as Nature194. It is my Instagram username. Continue. And you need a business portfolio. If you don't, please create one in Facebook. Continue. Instagram connected. Click done. And go to developers.facebook.com. Click My Apps. Click Create App. Give any name, whichever you want. And enter your email address which is associated with your Facebook account. Click Next and select Other. Select Business and click Next. Review here one time, check everything is okay, and click Create App. Enter your Facebook password in here and click Submit. Find here Facebook Login for Business. Click Setup. Hit the Save Change button. Now, hover on Tools and click Graph API Explorer. From here, the Meta app, you should select your app name, and from here, make sure it is selected as Get Token. On the permission field, you need to add few permission in here. Start with Page Show List, Business Management, Instagram Basic, Instagram Manage Comments, Instagram Manage Insights, Page Rate Engagement. Enter the Generate Token. Continue as your Facebook account. Continue as your Facebook account and select your business profile. Continue. And select your Instagram account and continue. And click Save. Got it. And your token has been generated. Copy the token, go to Tools, click Access Token Debugger. Enter your token here and click Debug. And make sure the app ID associated with your app name, and check everything and extend the access token As it appears here, we have successfully generated the Instagram access token for the business account.